Good Monday evening, Center County. I'm meteorologist Ben Reppert coming to you from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. The rain out there today made it pretty dismal, and it's going to continue into the evening before tapering off. But once it does, we got a few nice days coming our way. The winds are going to pick up for Tuesday behind this rain, so it's going to be pretty blustery. We do run the risk of a few snow showers as well, but that would be just about it. We'll see some sun for Wednesday before our next system moves in by the end of the week. This one could have enough cold air at the start for a little snow, but then it would change over to rain for the end of the week. Right now in State College, it's 39. The dew point 37 puts the humidity at 93%. As we are seeing the rain. Winds are out of the west-southwest or the south-southwest right now at about 6 miles per hour. Across the state, it's warm out in the southwest. It's 61 in Pittsburgh right now and 51 in Newcastle and Erie, but cooler conditions for the center and eastern part of the state right now. This warmth, unfortunately, will not make it in. That'll get squashed overnight tonight as a front is moving on through. And you can see this warm area here. That's in the warm sector of the storm. We had some severe weather down south, but in our area it was just the rain, and that's going to be moving away, and colder temperatures are going to be coming back in. So here's eye on the sky. You can see there's that mixed precipitation and rain that moved through earlier. By midnight tonight, we're going to be seeing the clouds giving way to some clearing in the center part of the state here. And then for the rest of your day on Tuesday, it's going to stay with a mix of clouds and sun. More clouds to the north and west and more sun to the south and east. That'll be the general rule. And that continues into Wednesday as the same sort of setup is happening with clouds to the north and west and sun to the south and east. So we'll go a mix of sun and clouds for the forecast. Temperatures are going to be cooling down as well. You can see we're in the 30s overnight tonight. That's by midnight. And then by tomorrow morning when you're waking up, we're going to be down around freezing here in State College. At least that's the forecast from this model with some 20s up to the north and west. And then through the day, warming back up slowly into the 30s, and then we'll end up in the 40s by the afternoon. Overnight tonight, that rain is going to taper off, and we're going to see temperatures bottom out around 34 degrees, winds out of the west-southwest at about 5 to 11 miles per hour. Tomorrow, as I mentioned, the winds are really going to pick up. They're going to be out of the west at about 12 to 18 miles per hour sustained with gusts to 32. 42 degrees will do it for the high temperature, and we will see a mix of sun and clouds throughout the day. Here's a look at your 5-day forecast. By Wednesday, we're going to see a mix of clouds and sun. The high temperature will be 34 degrees, and we do run the risk of a snow shower on Wednesday. Overnight, it will be 28. Thursday, the rain is going to return, most likely in the afternoon. A high will get up to 44. Overnight, will drop down to 30. That's when that rain could change over to some snow, and then it changes back to rain during the day on Friday with the high getting back to 38. Saturday, another weak system moves through with a chance of some flurries, but it will be chilly again with a high temperature of 38 degrees. So that is a look at the 5-day forecast, and that's the latest from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. Have a great evening.